Lady Emma Thompson DBE is a British on-screen character, screenwriter, writer and entertainer. She is one of Britain's most acclaimed entertainers. Early life and biography. Thompson was conceived in Paddington, London on 15 April 1959. Her mom is the Scottish on-screen character Phyllida Law. At the same time, her English dad, Erіs Thomrẓon, was engaged with theater and was the author, storyteller of the well-known youngsters TV arrangements The Magic Roundabout. Her adoptive parents was the executive and essayist Ronald Eyre. She has one sister, Sophia Thompson, who additionally filed in as an entertainer. The family lived in West Namrწtead in North London, and Thompson was instructed at a comedian school for girls. She invested a lot of energy in Scotland during her youth and regularly visited Edinburgh where her grandparents and uncle lived. In her childhood, Thompson was interested in language and writing, a quality which she credits to her dad, who shared her adoration for words. After effectively talking A levels in English, French and Latin and making sure about a grant, she started reading for an English degree at Newnham College, Cambridge, showing up in 1977. Personal life. While she was at Cambridge University, Thompson had a romantic relationship with an individual understudy on-screen character Hege Laurie, who was additionally an individual from the Cambridge Footlights Review. Thompson wedded Kenneth Branagh, with whom she showed up in Fortune of War on 20 August 1989. They showed up together a few times in hit movies, for example, Dad Again, Henry V. and Much Ado About Nothing. However, were in the long run separated in October 1995. In 2003, Thompson wedded entertainer George Wise, who featured with her in Sense and Sensibility. With whom she has a girl, Gia Romeli, conceived in 1999. In 2003, Thompson and Wise casually received a 16-year-old random displaced person named Tendibwa Agaba. Age, height and weight. Being born on 15 April 1959, Emma Thompson is 62 years old as of today's date. 29th March 2022. Her height is 1.73 meter tall and her weight is 68 kg. Career. Thompson's first significant film job was in a rom-com, The Tell Guy. Her profession took an increasingly genuine turn with a progression of widely prized exhibition and movies. Starting with 1992's Weظt End, for which she got an Oscar for Best On-Screen Character. The Peace of Gareth Price, the legal counselor for the Guildford Four, In the Name of the Father. The Remains of the Day in West Anthony Hopkins, and in the British painter Dora Carrington in the film Carrington. Awards and achievements. Thompson was appointed Dame Commander of the Order of the British Empire DBE in the 2018 birthday honours, and also honoured 2 Academy Awards, a Primetime Emmy Award, 3 BAFTA Awards, and 2 Golden Globe Awards. Net worth and salary. Emma is a film producer, comedian, film writer, author, voice actor, and activist, whose net worth is $60 million as of March 2022. Her net worth includes all her passions and earnings. Emma Thompson is an astonishingly beautiful lady who has achieved everything. She has through her diversified talents and is an excellent example for everybody at her 61 years of age.